Welcome to the Java class. In this video, I will discuss the typecasting in Java. The typecasting is nothing but the process of converting the value of one data type to another data type, called as typecasting. I will repeat once again the definition. The process of converting the value of one data type into another, called as typecasting. Example, I have a variable of type integer which holds the integer type of data. I want to convert into other, means floating point, so we need to go for the typecasting. Okay, process of converting the value of one data type to another data type as known as typecasting. So here there are two types. One is implicit typecasting and another one is explicit typecasting. Okay. In implicit typecasting, there is automatic conversion. Java automatically converts the one data type to another data type, called as implicitly typecasting. I will repeat once again. There are two types in typecasting. One is implicit typecasting, another one is explicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting means which is automatic conversion. Java automatically converts one data type to another data type. Okay. Whereas explicit typecasting, we manually convert one data type into another data type using parentheses. Okay. We need to convert manually one data type to another data type is called as explicit typecasting. Okay. So here I will discuss example for the implicitly typed conversion. So here I have created a class that is the main. Inside the main class, I have created the main method which is public, that is provide me string args. I have declared a variable of type integer, that is the number. I have assigned 10 to variable number. Next, what I am doing is I am just printing the value of number variable with help of the system.out.println. So integer value is num. Okay. So next is I am created one more data type variable, that is data. I am assigning the num which is integer type variable to a data, means here automatic conversion will happen. Here num is integer and value of num is assigning to a double type of data. Okay, here data is of type double and num is type integer. Here a num value contains the 10 of integer and I am just converting the num variable into a double. So it will happen automatically. Java converts the one data type into data type to double data type, means the value of one data type will be converted into the value of another data type. Here the value of num variable 10, that will be converted into a double, that is the variable is data. So this is called as the implicitly conversion. Okay. Here what happening is here num is Java converts this num variable into a double. Okay. So just I am printing a value of double, that is data. Here 10. Okay, so initially the value of num variable is 10. Now it is converted into a double, means it will it is now 10.0. so converting the one value of data type into a another data type, converting the one data type into another data type. Let me execute this by practically. I will one more page. So here I will create a class that is typecasting. Typecasting class has one opening brace and one closing brace. Okay, so here what I will do is I will create a main method properly static void main string index. Okay, so main method has one opening brace and one closing brace. So I will create a variable of type int a. I will assign 10 to integer. So here I will create another variable which is double. Okay, that is b. Okay, I will just assign the value of a here. Value of a here. So see here, the a is now of type integer. 10 is of type integer here. When I am assigning to b, then 10 will be converted into a double. So Java will convert one data type to another data type. Okay, so let me right here I will just print a message that is the value of a before converting. Next I will print the value of b after converting. Okay, first I will print the value of a system dot out dot println. Okay, so here I will print a value of a here. The value of a is, I will just print value of a. Okay, I will make it here semicolon. Next here I will convert this 10 into a double. Okay, Java will convert this one data type to another data. So just what I am doing is I am just assigning the value of a into a variable b, which is of type double. So Java will convert one the value of one data type to another data type. Okay, so next what I will do is I will just print system dot out dot println. I will print the value of b. The value of b is the value of concatenation operator, the value of b here. Okay, so here a semicolon. Okay, so here I am converting this value of a of type integer into a double. Java will convert. This is called as implicitly conversion. Here I am not using any method to convert the one data type to another data type. Java automatically convert the value of one data type to another data type. So go to file, save. So here my class name is typecasting. Here my class name is typecasting because the class name and file name should be same. Typecasting dot Java, make it all files. Okay, just click on save. Next I will open command prompt. Okay, my file is available in E drive. I will just change the directory to E drive. So my file is inside the Java folder. I will change it to Java. Okay. So here my file name is typecasting.java. How to compile the file? Javac typecasting dot Java. Okay, how to run the program? Java typecasting. Here the value of a is initially 10, and I am Java has been converted into a double, that is 10.0. So this is called as implicitly conversions. So here if I want to convert double into a int, so it is not possible. Okay, let me execute this. I am making vice versa. First it was I am converted int to double. Now I will convert double to int. Okay, so I will just just make it to 10.2. That's 10.23. Okay, I will save it. I will open command prompt. E drive. My file is available in E drive inside the Java folder. So cd Java. How to come back to Java C typecasting dot Java. So I am getting error because we cannot convert double into int. So we can convert into double, but we cannot convert double to int. So how it possible? So there is the another way, that is explicit conversation. You can say that explicit casting. So about the explicit casting I will discuss in next video. So in this video I have discussed about the implicitly conversation. In next video I will discuss implicitly conversation. Thank you.